Здравствуйте, привет, and hello. Welcome to another video about learning the Russian language. In our last video, we went over the 6 noun cases. In this one, we're going to learn a couple new verbs. Specifically, спать, which means to sleep, and говорить, which means to talk or to speak. I chose these verbs because they both have the exact same endings, so they're going to be really easy to learn together. And they're also completely regular with one small exception, which we're going to see in a little bit. Okay? So first, let's remember our common verb endings. Okay? Because these are going to be almost completely regular verbs. So for ya, it's going to be, in this case, you. For ты, it's going to be the second one, ish. For on and она, it. For мы, им. For вы, ите. And for они, it will be ят, the third one. Okay, so let's take a look. Спать means to sleep. So, я сплю means I sleep. This is the one exception I was telling you about, that one irregularity. That L in red came out of nowhere, and that's just something to remember. But everything else about these two verbs is going to be completely regular. So, repeat after me. Я сплю. Ты спишь. Он спит. Она спит. Мы спим. Вы спите. Они спят. Great job! Okay, let's take a look at a few examples. Я сплю на полу. What do you think that means? It means I sleep on the floor. Вы хорошо спите. You sleep well. Они плохо спят. They sleep poorly. Кот спит на кровати. The cat sleeps on the bed. Seems a bit unfair. The person sleeps on the floor and the cat gets the bed. Саша спит один. That means Sasha sleeps alone, and we use that number 1, один. That means alone in this case. Anna спит одна. Anna sleeps alone. This time we did одна instead of один because it's a female. Okay, let's look at the second verb, говорить. This one is completely regular and has the exact same verb endings. So, repeat after me. Я говорю. Ты говоришь. Он говорит. Она говорит. Мы говорим. Вы говорите. Они говорят. Okay, as always, let's take a look at some examples. Он говорит с тобой. Oh, I'm sorry, it's она говорит с тобой. My mistake. She's talking with you. Now, с тобой, we use instrumental case, if you remember. Они говорят о нем. In this case, we're using prepositional. They're talking about him. Я говорю тебе, что ты хороший человек. I'm telling you that you're a good person. And when you're talking to somebody, you use the dative case. You're talking to who? Talking to you. That's dative case. Okay, let's practice translating a few sentences. I'm not talking to you. Я не говорю с вами. We sleep poorly. Мы плохо спим. What are you talking about? О чем ты говоришь? Remember those question words that we learned in the last video? О чем? About what are you talking? I sleep on the couch. Я сплю на диване. Does she speak Russian? Она говорит по-русски. По-русски means in Russian. Okay, excellent job. That's it for these two verbs. Give yourself a huge pat on the back for making it this far. Remember to watch the video again and practice. Really get these verbs into your memory so you're not thinking too much about how to conjugate them. And in our next video, we're going to learn 2 more verbs. So as always, remember to like, subscribe, leave your comments. I would love to read them, and I will see you back next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye!